Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, now we will be revising the block 25, which is data handling. Okay, again, we will try to solve the problems in this block, children. Okay, so what do you mean by data handling? Data is nothing but the information. Handling is arranging it in a proper way so that we can understand easily. Okay, children. So, in this, our first topic is collecting data in a table. Okay, that means they have given some information that you have to write it in a tabular form. Okay, children. So show the following data in a table using tally marks and answer the following questions. Okay, so here they have given information that Rahul have 13, Giri have 18, Rajiv has 23 and Harsh has 25 notebooks. That means here they have given the information about the notebooks. Okay, so if the see here you have only 4 if there are 10 students, then if you write continuously like this, it will be difficult for us to find in between. Okay, for a suppose you have to find the number of books the sixth student have, then from first again you have to count till sixth and you have to write it down. So instead of that, going from for every time, instead of going from first, you can simply put this information in the form of data so that you can directly go to the sixth student and you can check it. Okay, here there are only 4 if there are 10 students. Okay, so first what we have to do is we have to draw a table in a way it has 3 columns. Okay, so this is your first column, this is your second column, and this is your third column. So in first column you will be writing the name of the student. Okay, and in the second column you will be writing number of books. Okay, actually this much only, but in the question they asked about tally marks also, so that's why we are including one more column and making it as tally marks. Okay, children. So name of the student, number of books, tally marks. For example, not the books, they have given information about some vegetables like eggplant, cauliflower, cabbage. So there are some fruits or some vegetables or some students, some people. So according to the information they have given, you have to make the columns. Okay. For example, if it is vegetables, so the first column becomes vegetables, number of vegetables, and if in the question they asked us to draw the tally marks, then you have to make the third column saying tally marks. Okay, if they have not mentioned tally marks, then you can simply write the vegetable and number of vegetable, 2 columns, finish. If they ask to draw the tally marks, then you have to make another column which is tally marks. Okay, so here you have names. So first you have Rahul, 13 books. Okay, now this you have given that information in the tabular form. Now you have to draw the tally marks for that information. So 13 books you have to represent. So you have to draw in tally marks, children, you have to draw the lines. Okay, 13 lines, like how, see, 1 2 3 4. Now if you draw 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11, 12, 13. So if you draw continuously like this, again you need to count, no? If there are, for example, if there are 25 books. So if you continuously draw 25 lines, you can't understand, isn't it, children? So you'll get confused, or otherwise you have to count the lines, isn't it? So to avoid that confusion, what we have to do is whenever it becomes the 5th line, you just strike it off. Okay, so with this we can simply say that it is 5. Okay, so again if you draw the same 1 2 3 4 5, fifth one I'm drawing. Now together how much they have become? So this is 5 and this is 5, so 5 plus 5 becomes 10. So 10 we have finished already. More, how many we have to draw? 3. So you will draw 3 lines more. 13. Now it is easy, no? So by looking you can say this is a bunch of 5, this is a bunch of 5, that becomes 10, and more you have 3. So 10 plus 3 becomes 13. That is easy, isn't it, children? So that's why we will draw the tally marks like this. Next you have Giri, which has who has 18 books. Okay, so 18 books. Again, you need to draw the tally marks for 18. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now fifth line, you will strike it off. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth line, again you strike it off. Till here, how much we have drawn? 10. Why? So this is the bundle of 5 and this is the bundle of 5. 5 plus 5 becomes 10, isn't it? Now again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now fifth line, I'll strike it off. Now together, how many they have become? 15, isn't it? So this is the bundle of 5, 5, 5. So 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. Now 15 plus how much will give us 18? 3, isn't it? So you will draw 3. 1, 2, 3. So 15 plus 3 becomes 18. Okay. Now you have Rajiv 23 books. Rajiv 23 books. Okay. So what we have to draw? We have to draw the tally marks. First start with standing line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth line. Now again 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth line, which becomes 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now they became 15, isn't it? 5 plus 5 plus 5. 15. Again 1, 2, 3, 4 and the fifth one. Now they became 20. More 3 we need to draw to make it 23, isn't it? So you'll draw 1, 2, 3. Okay, 23. Now Harsh. Harsh have how many books? 25 books. Okay, so 25 books. What we have to do? We have to draw the tally marks here again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth line, which became 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth line, which becomes 15, isn't it? So 5 plus 5 plus 5. 15 we finished, isn't it? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20 we finished. Here 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. Now more 5 if you draw, 25 will be finished, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, 4 and the fifth line. Now we have finished with drawing the tally marks. For example, there is another girl who is Priya. She has 10 books. So you again have to draw 5 and 5. That becomes 10. So based on the information what they have given, you have to write it in that information into your table. Okay. So now we finished how to draw the tally marks in the table. That is, we have written the data in the table and also we have drawn the tally marks. Now, they also asked us to answer the following questions. Isn't it, children? So here the following questions means they might ask you to represent this data in the form of bar graph or pictograph. It depends. Okay. Or sometimes they might ask you in like who has the maximum notebooks, who has the minimum notebooks, who has more notebooks, comparing Rajiv or Rahul. Who have more? Rajiv have. Okay. How many more Rajiv have? 10 more. Why Rajiv have 23 books and Rahul have 13 books? That means how many books more he have, Rajiv? Rajiv have 10 more books. In that way also question might be there. Okay, children. So I hope you have already written in the classwork. If not, please complete now. If you have completed, also try to practice, children. It will be easy for you for your next class. There also you have data handling. So it will be helpful. Okay. And for homework, I have given you the volume book. If you have completed, good. If you have not completed, at least complete now, which is volume book 3, page number 45, S1, collecting data in a table. Okay. So in the next class, we will learn about the pictograph. Okay. Bye, children.